Hello dear friends, welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. Hope you all are doing good, and today's video is going to be a special video because I am again reinstating the favorite series because it's been long time. I think I used to do it like a couple of years back. This favorite series, monthly favorites, which I have all my favorites, and it can range anywhere between beauty, skincare, hair care, books, Netflix series, everything which I have enjoyed for that particular month, and I'm going to share with you so that you can in turn enjoy the same. So before starting, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell button so that you do not miss any video of mine. Now without further ado, let's get started. So friends, get ready, and if you are just chill, have a cup of tea or coffee or water, whatever you prefer, and I have few products to share with you today. So this is going to be August favorites, and it's not just for August. I've been enjoying these products for quite a while, but I didn't get to share with you, so today I'm going to share with you all these things. So I'm excited, so let's get started. The first product, let me start with my hair because there are so many of comments about my hair. I have so many people asking me, sliding in my DMs and asking me like, what do I apply, what shampoo, what conditioner, and how do I maintain my hair. So let me tell you that recently I have discovered this amazing brand called Herbal Essence, and I have here few of their products with me. It's not sponsored, but I'm just enjoying this products and it's working for my type of hair so well. My type is like a little bit of dry. My hair is like ends are dry, but the scalp gets oily easily. Like I have to wash my hair these days every 3 to 4 days. So what I have done is I've started using this shampoo, and this is the Herbal Essence. So Herbal Essence brand, and this is of this is made of aloe and avocado oil. So these are it says here it's 97% natural origin, and they don't have any colorants or sulfates or anything. It's quite a clean brand, and so I am using this. And also for conditioner I am using the same Herbal Essence white grapefruit and mocha mint for volume, because since I have very fine hair and very very thin texture, I do need like a kind of a conditioner which will not weigh my hair down and which will not make it more oily, but I wanted to give it a little bit of volume and bounce, so that it looks more fuller and healthier. So the same brand shampoo is also available. They have a lot of variants, so you can choose accordingly what is your hair concern. And it's been, I think, almost 3 to 4 months that I've been using this product, and I'm absolutely loving it. It foams a lot, it gives me a lot of volume, it gives my hair nice texture, it feels softer, and I'm loving these products. So if you are looking for a good affordable shampoo conditioner, you can definitely look for this particular brand. So yeah, let's move on to the next product which I want to talk about, and that is my haircut. I mean, it's not a product, but definitely I cut my hair. I have been cutting my own hair last 3 to 4 years, you can say, but this particular time which I've cut my hair, I don't know, I'm just loving it because the cut, I usually go for this layer cut. I think that suits my face a lot, and I have given this layers, and as you can see, it has such sharp layers. You can actually make it out both the sides, and the haircut length is also come very perfect, and the layers are looking quite healthier and bouncier. So I'm absolutely loving my hair. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm not a professional hairstylist or something, but I have worked with a lot of I have worked with Lakme Salon, and but still that time I never felt the need. But here, the hair cutting, especially for women, and to have these kind of layer cuts and advanced haircuts is quite expensive. It easily ranges between 700 to 1000 SEK, which is like almost 8 to 10,000 rupees in India, right? So I don't feel like spending such kind of amount. So I have been cutting my hair, but this time it's really come very nice. I'm pretty happy about that. So if you want like a tutorial or something, or maybe a IGTV video, you can let me know. I will show you. It's very easy. It just takes 2 to 3 steps, and it just takes like 20-25 minutes max, and you can absolutely cut your own hair and fall in love with your hair all over again. Alright, so the next product is going to be my concealer, and this is from the brand Born This Way, Too Faced, and this is an absolutely a beautiful product. It's an literally like a magic in a bottle, and I love it. I'm using it almost past 2 years, and this has been just my second bottle. So it looks tiny bottle, but it has so much of product inside, and you just need just the tiniest bit. You just have to find your perfect match, and I'm in the shade Warm Sand, and this is also available in India now. They have introduced at Nykaa, so you can definitely get your hands on. And once you find your perfect shade, it says here conceal, contour, highlight and retouch. So you know, when I use this, I don't even have to use foundation. Anyways, I have taken the minimalistic route, so I use very less minimum products on my face, because I don't want to my skin has become sensitive over time, and I don't want to irritate it by layering too many products on my face. So what I do is I just conceal my eyes, and then I drag that same concealer over my nose and my around my mouth where I have the pigmentation. That's it. And I just you know, just powder it, and I'm good to go. I mean, my skin looks nice, and today also I've done something similar, and it gives me full coverage, also a little bit of brightness, and it's absolutely beautiful texture. It just melts into your skin and makes your eyes, under eyes especially, look brighter. And I feel concealer is the most important thing which a woman should have, because you know, it absolutely immediately changes the look of your face, and it makes it look brighter, and that you're more awake, and you have got full like 8 to 9 hours of sleep, and you're absolutely fresh, you know. So do consider giving this product a try. I really love it. Now moving on to the next, I'm trying to go through the products quite quickly because I don't want to make this video extremely long. Now next product which I want to talk about is these Lakme lipsticks, Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color, and they have lot of shades and lot of variants in this particular range as well. So this is in the shade Rosy Plum, which I applied on my lips, and this is my absolute go-to color. It suits my face, it brightens up my face, and this is a multi-use product. You can use it on your cheek, on your eyes, you know, so don't have to have multiple products in your vanity. You can just have like one product. Let me show you the texture as well. It's a very, yeah, so as you can see, it's very lightweight, you know, and as you tap it, you can blend it like on your cheeks, on your eyes, and create a very nice yeah, it melts absolutely amazing. Yes, you can use it on your cheeks, on your eyes, and on your nose, you know, everything, and it just, you know, you can just apply this and be good to go and go outside, you know, like you don't have to apply the whole makeup. And yeah, so this is really very affordable as well. I think it's hardly 250 rupees. It's available on Nykaa and I think all the other websites which are there. So yeah, we are done with the makeup and skincare. Now let's move on to next item. Now friends, let's talk about the last two items in my list. The next one is going to be this absolutely beautiful book, and this is Atomic Habits by James Clear, and it's absolutely life-changing. So if you happen to have a chance to get this book, then please do so. It's an amazing book, and it talks all about motivation. And what I have learned is that among that, like, you know, there are multiple lessons what you can learn from this book, but the absolute one thing what I have learned is that, you know, do not depend on motivation, because motivation just comes and goes. So have like a system, a discipline and a routine for yourself, because routine stays much longer. Motivation, you just feel like today you're not working and tomorrow you're like absolutely pumped with the motivation. But so you cannot rely on that absolutely, but definitely you can build up systems, you can build up routine, you can build some habits which can stay much longer, and you can you know, because habit, once it's formed, it's very difficult to break. Like of course good habits are very easy to break, but then still, you know, if you want to inculcate any good habit, it takes around 21 days. So for example, if you want to exercise, just continue exercising 21 days, and it becomes a habit, so that your body automatically tells you on the 22nd day to exercise. So it all talks about like all these amazing things. So please do try reading it, or maybe listening it to Audible or any other app which you prefer. Now last but not the least is my most favorite Netflix series. And I have rewatched this series, like I think so 3 to 4 times, but it just doesn't get old, and it's none other than Gilmore Girls. So it's an amazing story about a mom and a daughter, and the mom is so carefree and funny and independent and outspoken, and how she raises her kid, her daughter to enter into Ivy League school. It's a very fun, light-hearted story, which is a very good change for me, because I have this constant work, and I'm constantly working and managing multiple things. So it's like my stress buster. It's just, I see one episode and I feel so refreshed, and it's nothing that I have to use my brain for, or I don't have to take something seriously. I don't have to take any tension or anything. You just relax and watch episode, fun, like light-hearted, and completely it relaxes me. So this is my guilty pleasure, you can say. And if you are interested, you can definitely look out for this series. It's called Gilmore Girls. Anyways, whatever I have mentioned in this video, I'm going to mention in the description box, so you can check it out. And that's it for today, friends. I am so happy that I have restarted this series, because I have so many things which are useful for me to share with you. And if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. That will give me an indication that you are liking this kind of videos. This is going to be just once in a month episode, so do share your love, and do let me know in the comments which one was your favorite item among this, and which you are going to buy and use. And do tag me, and do share with me your experience. That's it for today. Take care and stay happy, stay positive. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.